Here are 6 fruits you should eat with their peel, as the peels often contain more nutrients than the flesh itself. 1. Apples. The peel contains fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants like quercetin, which can boost heart health and reduce inflammation. 2. Pears. The peel is rich in fiber and polyphenols, which support digestion and may lower the risk of certain diseases. 3. Plums. The skin is loaded with antioxidants and vitamins, especially anthocyanins, which promote better skin health and fight inflammation. For cucumbers, while technically a fruit, the peel provides fiber, vitamin K, and important antioxidants. Opt for organic cucumbers to avoid pesticides. 5. Kiwi. The fuzzy skin is edible and packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants. Wash thoroughly before eating if you're trying this for the first time. 6. Grapes. Grape skins are full of resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that supports heart health and may have anti-aging benefits. Always wash fruits thoroughly before eating the peel to remove dirt, pesticides, or bacteria. Organic options are preferable if you plan to eat the peel.